Greetings, everybody. Nickie Brown here. I'm just going to pull a few cards. I hope everybody's doing well. And we're going to get these messages. It's a cloudy day and it's supposed to rain here today, but I love the rain, so as far as I'm concerned, it's a beautiful day. It's a pretty day. Alright, let's see what comes out. What is that? Son of Sticks in the reverse. So whenever I pull the hoodoo cards, I like to read the description. So let's go ahead and see what that says. We're just going to do past, present, future. So this will be past. And you know that the Son of Sticks is basically the page. All right.